mommy. I want to. Happy birthday. I want to sing for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Beep, 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 hooray. Beep, 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 hooray. Bye, mommy. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We love you and we appreciate you.
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you so much, and I pray and I wish you have the best birthday ever. I wish many more years, many more life onto your life, in Jesus' name. I may pray for peace, success, joy, and many more blessings from our Father above. Again, Jesus. And again, love you so much. Happy birthday. And yeah, bye.
Jesus, I send the bags of the heaven heart to offer. I release unto you in the name of Jesus. The bags of this earth, I say it is yours. I say it is yours. In the name of Jesus.
Happy birthday, woman of God. You are blessed and highly lifted.
Happy birthday to the best, wonderful, most prayerful-filled woman of God, Auntie Jessie. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Pastor! We love you!
All my days, I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Hey! Shout it out! 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. Has he been faithful to you? And all my life you have been so good. Yeah. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Woo! I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and in darkness now. You were close like no other. Yeah. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. And I have lived in the goodness of God. Let's raise it loud. Sing on.